Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. Thank you to all for being in here. We have Tony D first in the chat. What's going on, Tony D? Slayer, Pat, Slayer, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Slayer, Pudgy, Sky, Notos, Tim, Sky, Notos, Tim, Slayer, Matthew, Tony, Frank. We've got Sky Stonify, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Moji, Slayer, Notos, Giovanni, and Pudgy. What is going on, everybody? So glad to have you in here. Let's check the market out really quick. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, finishing down 4.86% today, $6.26. Shiba Inu coin on its way back down, sitting at 1106. GameStop 1867. Bitcoin 22,350. Nasdaq 0.11% lower today. GameStop 1867. $3 per share on the Bureau Therapeutics. AMC 626. Ethereum 1560 down. Shiba 1106 down. Dogecoin 7.4 cents. Down. Bitcoin, 22,348, down. Sundial closing in $1.80 today, 5% loss. Molinado, 23 cents. It was up on the day. CEI sitting at $1.70 at the close. SPY, 404. BBIG, 49 cents. Highcraft Mining, 35.5 cents. Netflix, $312. QQQ, $300, almost flat. Ape sitting at $1.75 at the close there. $1.77 after hours right now. It is a brutal day in the market. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves for I think, another downturn in both Bitcoin and the stock market. Let's see. Giovanni says, Clay, why are you ignoring my message on Pendle? When market is bear, Pendle is still going up. Have you looked into it? It has gone over 400% in the last 3 months. It will hit $1 soon. Giovanni, I don't ignore anybody's messages, man. Pendle. It sounds like that is a crypto. Yes, that is a crypto, very small crypto, $50 million market cap. We can look at that in 2 seconds here after I say, Matthew, thank you very much. Oops, move that just a little bit. Matthew, man, fist, boom, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Matthew, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love it. We got Slayer JC, Dilly, check the Discord screen. Tony D shows up first on my screen. Dilly to all the brillies. Tony D and Slayer JC. Man, Pat, you too. Thank you guys very much for being first in the chat and the super chat as well. Let's see what we got going on in Pendle right now. Very, very low market cap, guys, sitting at $50 million. That is small for the cryptocurrency space. 53 million right here, $1 million traded over the last 24 hours. It does not seem to be audited, but it has, like he says, done very well over the last month or so, going from 8 cents to 27 cents. Not bad at all. On a 3-month chart, 4.5 cents up to 28 cents. 7x gain, basically, in the last 3 months here on Pendle. It has been doing very well. Overall, it has been beaten down in price very hard since May of 2021. So something I like, something I don't like, and this could be because of dilution here. So we'll look at that in a second. The massive rally at the end of 2021 did not cause Pendle to go up. So that's a little concerning to me. Let's look at market cap. Could tell us a different story. And it does tell us a different story. Market cap all-time high was reached right here. Now, this is interesting, guys. This is what you really need to look at on Pendle, okay? The all-time high market cap during the bull market was around $50 million, right in this area. All-time high was 61. And this is when everything was running. Bitcoin was nearly 70,000, Shiba Inu coin, 8,800 points per coin, all of that good stuff. They diluted the crap out of this coin, which is why you saw it go down in price. Now, market cap is near all-time highs right now. So this rally that you have seen over the last couple of months here is bringing it back up to all-time highs. I would not expect Pendle to reach prices around $1, $1.86, and so on. This is the highest that it has ever been. $60 million, currently sitting at $53 million, fully diluted 67. So please watch out for that. It is something that I noticed, and you should notice it as well. Let's see. Why delete the first live? There was no thumbnail on it, man. For some reason, I started. Sometimes when I schedule it through Streamlabs, Sometimes it puts 2 of them up there. Clearly, I can only go live 1 at a time. So I deleted the one that did not have a thumbnail on it. Let's see here. I hope it stays low for a minute. It gives me more opportunity to fill my bag. Yeah, no toast. I actually think the cryptocurrency market is going to go even lower with the nonsense that the SEC's got going on there. Market has been great for me. Very nice, Giovanni. Tim, maybe stop in their office in your tractor and see if they need some remodeling. I think it sounds like a good idea, but I'm not exactly sure where Tim is going, so be careful. Hello all. What's going on, Chris? How you doing? Yippee-ki-yay, mother market. I like it, Shredder. Can only listen right now. Well, there's nothing wrong with that, Chris. Listen and enjoy the rest of your afternoon into your evening. Bro, let's check out those shoes. Making some good gains recently. Let's look at it. Y'all need some green. Tony D, we do need some green, man. Oh, Doge. Oh, Doge. Original Doge. Interesting. Well, clearly it's not the original one. Dogecoin is the original one, but let's look and see what this bad boy's doing. Fully diluted $27 million market cap. Crazy that it's already done $3.4 million in volume, especially if this is a newer coin, and it definitely is. Came out on March 3rd and has done pretty well since then, going from 1 to 3, tripled in price, pulled back a little bit. So this is interesting, guys. We're seeing a lot of these tiny little coins gain some traction, and that's what you normally see in a very confident bull market. So the fact that prices are beaten down and we're not necessarily in a very confident bull market makes me think that people are desperate for some gains right now, and they're willing to go in and buy these smaller coins and take very large risks because they are desperate for some gains. MBW keeps looking better. 29-cent dividend paying quarterly, secured by a 1.35x FFO, funds from operations, and short interest of over 26%, with one of their debtors in the next 3 months raised $285 million to pay back. Hey, Frank, man, MPW. I know, didn't it pull back a couple of days ago, which was pretty decent pullback too. MPW. Let's see where we're at here. Yeah, actually did have a pretty strong pullback the other day from about $13 all the way down to $10 per share. Dang, man, almost a 30% decline, right? MPW sitting right here at this massive level of support. Keep that in mind if you guys are interested in it. The dividend yield is currently 11.03%. That is a massive dividend yield. If it continues on, I got to move this screen a little bit so we can see. That's the weekly chart. So what you guys are looking at is basically the support that goes all the way back to 2013. I don't know if it's going to drop down much lower than these prices. Tested this level in 2013. Basically tested this level again in 2015. Testing this level, unable to break through in 2016. Testing this level in 2017. Finally broke through in 2018. 2020, boom, dropped down. Basically tested this level right in here. Dropped down again when the NASDAQ was crashing hard. Tested it at the end of 2022 here. Since then, bounced off. Tested it, bounce off, tested it. So we are looking right here at this $10 point as a potential major level of support that goes back until 2013. Do I think it's going to fall through? You know, I don't know. If the NASDAQ obviously crashes down, this could have a very difficult time. But man, I'm telling you right now, that 11% dividend yield is looking very juicy, and the fact that it could, I don't know if I want to say easily, but I don't think it would be too difficult to get back up into that $14, $15 range, which is 40 to 50% gains, guys. 40 to 50% gains, and the dividend seems to be quarterly. Quarterly dividend paying, what here? Pull up. 30 cents. 30 cents. Yeah, 29-cent quarterly dividend. So looking very good, man. Frank, it's a pretty good stock to point out, guys, if you want to see a boring company that has seen some decent long-term growth with a very nice dividend yield and at a major decade level of support. Patrick, Tony D with the honorable mention. Thank you very much, Pat, for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. And the authorized hydration. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. It doesn't get any better than that, Pat. Thank you very much. Dirk, you said he wouldn't find us. Somebody found us. Oh, no, man. I don't know who it was, but they found us. Yep, I noticed a new wave of dog-themed meme coins in the last couple of weeks. Makes me wonder why now exactly did developers of these coins thought that the bear market was over. Possibly, Rabio. Possibly. You know, we had a very nice January. February, running into some resistance there. In March is not resulted in any gains yet. So they could have gotten excited during that January run-up. Other than that, I don't know. I truly think a lot of these coins, man, these people just pump them out and pump them out and pump them out. And this could just be people pumping out these coins. And because investors are so desperate right now to see some gains after such a long bear market, that might be the reason that they're doing well. So a lot of the new coins, it could just be coincidence that they're going up right now because of the desperation, or it could be because of that January run up. People got to taste a little bit of green and they wanted more of it. No, but I guess it's a day to stay in bed. Dial-up survivor. I guess it could be a day to stay in bed. Not bad. Love my boring gems. There you go. And Frank, listen, 50% gain potential is not bad, right? I don't know what that medical company does, MPW. I don't know what they do. I don't know if it's medical supplies, insurance, or what the deal is with it. But, dude, 10% annual, 11% annualized dividends right now, plus potential 50-60% capital gains. Dude, I kind of want to add some of that to my portfolio. I'm lucky that I made a few thousand today, thanks to Pendle. Thousands since I bought at 4 cents. Should I sell, or do you think I should still hold? You don't think it will get higher, considering the market is down? Giovanni, the fact that it has gone up nicely since the beginning of the year, and it's not really falling down as the rest of the cryptocurrency market is falling down right now, it's a pretty strong sign. Right, if you look at the last 3 months, man, that is a very strong sign. Going from that 4 cent mark up to 27 cents there. What I'm looking at is the fact that this market cap is soaring, and the market cap is near a major level of resistance. So, if you think it can break this $50 to $60 million level, sky's the limit. Why? Because it's never been in that region before. It's treading in new territory, and there's no real market cap resistance to hold it back. However, if you're looking at the price coming back up into this area, right, if it does break it, all of these guys who got in and didn't receive any rewards or double down or anything like that, they're going to be back in the positive. And you may see resistance again in the, 40 cent range. So guys in this 40 to 45 cent range could cause some selling here if you're looking strictly at price. I don't know if this token rewards holders, and that's why you've seen such dilution over the last couple of years, or what the deal is with it. But price-wise, it's going to see resistance in the level that it's currently at, and resistance in this 40 to 45 cent range. If you're looking at market cap, it's at resistance right now. If it breaks it, sky's the limit. It's never been treading in this water before. So I can't tell you to sell it and so on, but the market is bearish right now. So I don't know what that coin does that would hedge it against a bear market, but I think the market's bearish. Clearbro, what's your opinion on VRA, Veracity cryptocurrency? Joshua, man, I am actually short on Veracity right now, okay? But I do think it's something that if it goes back down to the next level of support, I want to go long and kind of just hold for the next bull run. Veracity has done a phenomenal job during the last couple of bull markets, and we can look at that really quick. But I believe that it's got a very good chance of breaking down through this January rally, and therefore I am currently short on it. If it falls through this line at like 0062 to 0055, I think you get absolutely test 002 again. So let's look at it, 3-month chart maybe. I wish I could put lines on here. I don't think I can put lines on here. So support, you guys can see it back down here, lower 6s, right? Support, lower 6s to upper 5s. Testing it and testing it. I truly believe that it wants to test this line right here. It could use it as a major level of support. Absolutely. But if Bitcoin falls back down to that 21,000, 20,000 mark, if Ethereum falls back down below 1,500, and Veracity falls, there is basically no support until you get back down to, there's a little area in like the 3,500 range, but then you're talking back down to 2,500 or, 250, whatever you're labeling this as. 0.0025 down, or 0.025 before you get to a major level of support. 0.03, 0.025. I don't know if I'd short it all the way down there, but I am currently short on Veracity, and I think it simply is going to break down through that, and then you get a decent buy opportunity in this area down here. This January rally with all of the regulation ahead, I'm watching it close, right? I'm watching it close. This is a major level of support. If it breaks it, I think it's going to see its next leg down. But I like it during the next bull market. If you're looking at the all-time high here, this stock or this coin was wild back in 2021, going from 0.000 for 3 zeros, man, all the way up to 8 cents. So it's got some major potential to run during the next bull market. I just think short term, man, it's sitting right there looking like it wants to break down. Litecoin will make you the Big Mac bucks. Your McDonald's shareholders on Discord are sensitive and removed me. Project Moon, I don't know why they would remove you from the Discord, but did you do anything in there that would cause you to be removed, or what the deal is with that? I have no idea. But yeah, dude, a Litecoin. I want to make those McDonald's Big Mac bucks, dude. I do. Let's see. I think 2023 marked 1 year closer towards the end of Brandon's reign, hence a series of mini rallies. Pat, it very well could be, man. It very well could be. I don't know, right? I have no idea what future elections hold. I do know that they cause a lot of market volatility. MPW owns the physical hospitals, leases with triple coverage, companies leasing, pay building rent, maintenance, and insurance, and the MPW collects the money as REIT required to pay 89%. Oh, so I didn't even know it was a REIT, dude. That's not bad, that, man. So it basically owns the medical facilities and leases them out to hospitals. Very nice, Frank. Thank you very much for the explanation on what they do and the fact that it is a REIT. That's why the dividend is so good there. I see Polygon is dropping in price. I'm waiting for it to get under $1 so I can buy a handful more for the bag. Richard, let's look at Polygon. I haven't looked at Polygon in a while. Let's see where Maddox at here. Yeah, it is dropping. It's getting close to that dollar mark. $1.13, $9.8 billion market cap on Polygon. Polygon, layer 2 blockchain, guys. The Shiba Inu coin developers, their goal is to make Bone the equivalent of Polygon. If Bone jumps to a $10 billion valuation, you guys are going to see 5x, actually a little bit more than 5x, and then times, you guys are going to see 50x gains in Bone if it ever reaches just the same level that Polygon is currently at. All-time highs on Polygon up around that, near the $3 mark there. And Polygon coming back down. Yeah, dude, I think you're going to get back in under $1 if you're adding on to Polygon here. I really do. I think you can get back in at $1. This is nuts, dude. To see it go from 1 cent. Gosh, man. 1 cent to $3 a coin. That is nuts, dude. That is nuts. 1 cent to $3 a coin. My gosh. I'm so miserably but happy at the same time. Good thing I'm wearing my sweatpants. They're stretch material. I may have a taco problem. John J, dude, have some tacos, man. I love tacos. 30,000 Bitcoin this weekend. Let's go, Harris. I'm doubtful, but I would like to see 30,000 Bitcoin or $30,000 Bitcoin because it would mean a rally in all of the other coins as well. Already, I think Mexicans will see banking outside the U.S. anyhow if the government keeps going, Arabio, if the government keeps going the way that it is. I think a lot of people are going to try and bank outside of the United States if the government continues to go the way that it is with all of the regulations and all of the CBDC talk that they're currently having right now. It's crazy. Let's see here. Velo, let's look at it, and American, everybody. I'm telling you, man, everybody's going to be looking at potentially having some money outside of the banking system if they continue to talk about a CBDC and rolling that bad boy out. I don't know what to say. You ignored my comments in the past 2 live shows, man. You broke the surfboard, bro. What's up, Clay, bro? You still cool. What's going on? Sean! I'm telling you, dude. Sean, I will listen. You guys know. And if you don't know, come on. I don't ignore anybody's comments. But I may miss your comment. And if I miss it, I'm very sorry. And I will get to it the next time, I promise. Let's see. What is Sheena Inu? I don't know what Sheena Inu is. Let's look up Sheena Inu. Sheena Inu is probably a coin that the people loved to take advantage of typos with people typing in Shiba Inu. They moved it over one space so that if people accidentally type in Sheena Inu, this coin will come up. It's currently somehow sitting on a $21 million market cap, which is insane. And the all-time graph looks also insane. I'm going to take a wild guess and say that this is a glitch in price here. That would be my best guess, is to say that price is incorrect. So let's try to see if we can see what this... Come on. Yeah. So, since the end of 2022 here, it has actually done pretty well. Only $9,000. The volume is wild in this coin right here. $9,000 some days and $4 million other days. This day, no real move, but $9 million in volume being recorded here. No real move, $18 million in volume being recorded right here. So, I really have no idea what's going on with the volume on this coin. But... that's a 4x gain right there. That's a 10x gain right there. So Sheena Inu 10xing from November 2022 to the January rally that we had. And of course it's pulling back right now. So I don't know, man. If this is a legitimate coin and you guys, even their website, instead of shibatoken.com, it's sheenatoken.com. 100% believe that this coin is trying to take advantage of people who typo and misspell Shiba. And they 10x during that January rally. So I don't know if there was a lot of people spelling things wrong or what the deal is, but Sheena Inu definitely moving. I titled your video Sheena Inu. I literally had a typo in the video. My God, dude. No wonder Sheena Inu is rallying. No wonder Sheena Inu is rallying that much, man. It's my fault. I don't even own it. I'm pumping it and I don't even own it. God. Hold on. What video? I gotta go. Oh, I gotta go fix a price here. What the heck do you guys wait so long to tell me about typos for? Let's see here. Alright, hold on. Yeah. Shiba Inu coin. Pudgy, you got to tell me earlier, man. You guys can't be coming in here like 6 days late and telling me that the coin, the video is called Sheena Inu coin instead of Shiba Inu coin. Now I'm pumping stupid Shiba Inu coin up and I ain't even trying. Gosh. Corrected. Thank you very much for letting me know. Let's see. I don't think CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, they've had bad reputations for glitches. Oh, CoinGecko. Yeah, dude. That clearly is a glitch there. I don't trust that one. What about Velo to $1? Harris, let's check out Velo really quick. You guys are really starting to get interested in a variety of different coins. To me, that also indicates that we are looking for some massive gains, and we are looking for a bull market rally to take place here. Velo to a potential $1. 100x gain from here. $4 billion market cap. Gosh. Dude, I'm going to say no, but I don't know what they do that they would be able to justify a $4 billion market cap. So you can see here that the market cap back here was $100 million. And a couple days ago, it was $70 million. So in order to get back to this $120 million mark, it wouldn't even be able to double in price. Now, it basically correlates to this action back here. So the dollar price point that gave it a $120 million market cap would now be the equivalent of a 2-cent price point. Why? Because they're throwing more and more and more coins into circulation. So I do not think that this coin is going to go back to $1. And because look, the circulating supply is only 5 billion, and they can go up to 30 billion. So they can still dilute this coin like crazy before it would ever even have the chance to go into $1. So actually, you'd be looking at a $25 billion market cap before you would be able to reach $1 if they fully diluted it. So that's what I would look out for. No, unfortunately, I don't think Velo is going to go back to $1 simply because you can look at the market cap and they have diluted like crazy. Now, that's not to say that you can't make some gains. This market cap here, I guess it depends on who they're rewarding with these coins, though, because the market cap is basically 60x'd over the last couple of months, but the price is not. So the price has gone from 0.001, 10x, and is back down right now. So I would just be very, very careful with Velo, knowing that they're able to dilute the amount of coins they have out there. I'm not interested in it because I hate dilution, literally hate dilution, but they seem to like it. Truth is that spike wasn't a glitch. Some dude bought a pile thinking it was Shiba Inu. Oh, God. Rabio, probably after he watched my video, I probably mistitled Shiba Inu coin into Sheena Inu coin a couple of months ago, and there, he went and bought. My gosh. Next headline, Claybro, pump a fake coin. Yes. I'm the idiot that had the typo, and Sheena Inu coin community's probably like, yes, another one. Gosh. Where Perp coin? I have had a horrific weekend. I haven't checked. Well, Tim, let's see where Perp coin is at, man. Hopefully it is doing well. Perp is up 5% today, $1.06. It is sitting at $1.06 right now, up 6.32% on Perp coin. Earlier today, it was all the way up to $1.12, and it's come back down 6 cents over the last week. It has been doing pretty well, going from 96 cents, currently sitting at $1.06, and over the last month, going from 70 cents up to $1.06. So Perp coin actually looking pretty good right now. $50 million traded over the last 24 hours. That is a lot of money to be traded in Perp coin. Especially for a coin that's only got a $70 million market cap. $50 million in trades is a whole lot of trades. So Perp coin currently sitting at $1.06 right now. Hey, bro, maybe you should consider making a video on how to judge new projects, when to ape in, and when to run as if Pac-Man's chasing you. With a good title, could bring a lot of views. Now, Rabio, you're right, man. You're right. I don't know if now's the best time to do it or not. I think a great time would be if people are, FOMOing in during the beginning of a bull market or something. But yeah, it's not a bad video to make. So many random coins out there, Metaverse, GameFi, etc. So many that jump and pump randomly for like 24 hours and then they dump. Richo, you are absolutely right, man. I'm joined the Paul Swap fellas, making some points to Shitoshi about decentralization. Whit Reed, very nice. Where's Yi? I do not know where Yi is. You're the man, Clay, bro. Still showing love. Man, this market is brutal. It absolutely is. Shiba might make a surprising bull run with all the trending going on social media. My opinion, wouldn't be surprised. Sean, yeah, dude, 250,000 tweets over the last couple of days. And a lot of it is due to the feud between Paul Swap and Shiba Inu coin. But, with everybody tweeting about it like that, it does mean more people are going to be able to see it. And for example, Shitoshi, over the last 2 weeks, gained 20,000 or 30,000 followers on Twitter. So people are getting interested again with what's going on in Shiba Inu coin. I mean, that's evident by the fact that he went above 900,000 followers on Twitter. So unless he went in and bought a bunch, I highly doubt he did. Shiba Inu coin, people are interested in Shiba Inu coin on Twitter. So is Paul's swap being ran by the ex-Shiba developers Discord mods? If so, it makes me wonder if Paul was made as competition to Shiba Swap by Shitoshi and friends to hedge their bet on Shibarium and make money before the launch. Yes. So Matthew, it is being ran by those guys that Shitoshi basically fired. Okay? I think you got Trophius in the game, Shib Kraken or whatever his name is in the game, and then some other people are in the game as well. Now, I don't know. So, it's competition to Shiba Swap by Shitoshi and friends. I don't think Shitoshi legitimately has anything to do with it. Somebody in the previous live stream said that maybe Shitoshi and these guys decided to go this route intentionally to increase the amount of people talking about it. I'm going to say no, they did not do that. I don't think that's necessarily conducive to growth. Yes, people are talking about it, but I don't think that they're intentionally feuding with each other to fuel both of these projects. If they are, it's a decently smart idea. So I can't say it's a bad idea if that's what they're doing. If they take it too far and they begin to FUD each other like crazy, then it's going to be a bad idea because people are going to spiral out of the community because it's so toxic. But I don't think that they're hedging themselves. I truly think it is some form of competition by the guys that were wronged in being let go of the original Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team. April 6th, MPW cash secure puts, $10 strike, earning 50 cents to 54 cents for far entry, low risk, monthly earner. Weekly options are available. Yes, I really like this stock. Dude, Frank, that's actually a really good, it's a really good cash secured put there, man, because that would be an excellent buy at $10. So even if they put it to you at $10, that's major support. So you'd be fine getting that at 10, and you're already making 50 cents, dude. I think that it sounds like something I'm interested in, so I may just get started. Hurrah! Shot me down for a darn joke. Sorry, it wasn't good enough. Can you start up my Discord? Project Me, what do you mean? I don't know if I can. You can come back in the Discord, right? I don't know. Don't make dumb jokes. Let's see. I said to the dude, I got a green name from Ken and my boy Rich. What is the joke about that? I don't know what the joke about that is. Hit the like button, folks. Only 14. Guys, click the like button. Listen to Johnstontown. What are you doing, man? Shib tweets. Seriously, how many mentions are Scam Toshi, Scam Burium, Scam Inu, the metaverse? Probably thousands of them, Tim. Good afternoon. Nick F. Good afternoon to you, man. How are you doing today, Nick F? Hopefully you're having a great one out there. And thank you very much for joining us in the live stream today. Got a blast. Pudgy, are you leaving us? I don't trust anyone that doesn't have a physical presence. Shitoshi is a phantom. If and something nefarious happens, who gets left holding the bag and who's legally responsible? Just my viewpoint. Yeah, I don't think that they are going to be able to hold anybody legally responsible. If you're gonna have charges brought against you, you need to be served those charges. So I don't know how you serve an avatar named Shitoshi if something were to go wrong. So yes, there is a lot of like defense set up in the sense that there's very little, if any, legal obligation. So yeah, that is a big red flag if you want to consider a red flag. He is a phantom. The foundation story or the creation story of Shiba Inu coin is made up as well simply for marketing purposes. Ryoshi is not who created Shiba Inu coin. It's just part of the marketing ploy. So there is some strangeness going on, but the community bought into it, man. and the community is supporting it. So I don't know if they'll stop doing so or not. Anti-Bone Coin, anti-Shiba Coin, built on Shibarium. Let's lead the anti-Scam Toshi movement, man. I can almost guarantee you all of these anti-coins would do very well. Stupid joke, get the nuke. Yeah, man. I don't even know what the joke was, though. It doesn't even, that's what I said. Doesn't even sound like a joke, dude. Unless you're talking about Project Moon, or you're talking about the supporters chat as opposed to the entire Discord. If you're talking about the supporters chat, that's not for free green names. That's just for anybody that has, like, it's purchased a green name and auto renews their green name. But I don't know if you're talking about the whole Discord in general, or if you're just talking about the supporters chat. Plot twist: Sheena Inu developer is called Shitoshi. Oh, Robbio. Yeah, I need to reach out to Sheena Inu and ask for my cut for marketing, since I'm typing in things wrong. Shiba, Razi. What's going on, man? So, who is Shitoshi? Sending down to Austin for South by Southwest Conference, the marketing lady they hired for the metaverse. Do you think Shitoshi is there secretly too? Matthew, interesting. I have my doubts that Shitoshi even lives in the United States. Okay? I actually think that there's a chance Shitoshi lives in Italy. Okay? Now, I could be completely wrong. Nobody has heard about Shitoshi, and these are my own speculations. I'll tell why in a second here. As far as the Metaverse team, yes, Marcy Jastro is who is going to be there. Shitoshi is not going to be there in the sense that he is claiming to be Shitoshi. It is simply Marcy, and then probably, if Marcy brings some people. I don't know if Marcy's bringing some people or not. So that's who you're going to see at the SXSW or whatever it is. Now, why do I think Shitoshi is possibly in Italy? The only two in real life businesses that we've ever seen work with Shiba Inu coin, Wellies and John Richmond, both of those in Italy. So I do think that there is a chance that the man who orchestrated these businesses, in real life businesses, to work with Shiba Inu coin is from Italy, considering both of these businesses are in Italy. Now, I could be completely wrong on that. That is just an assumption I have. If Shitoshi does go to SXSW, he is not going to reveal himself as being there. He might say, "Ooh, I'm lurking in the shadows, watching the metaverse be revealed, and the glory to Ryoshi is astronomical. This is the greatest, really." He might tell us that he's there, but he's not going to say, "Hey, I'm Shitoshi, come meet me." Slaybro, what's going on, Razi, man? What price do you think Crow and LUNC will reach in the next bull run, and when will it be? Thank you. Daniel, I think that the major bull run, if it happens, could happen, and I'm talking the exponential move up in 2025, okay? In 2025, the only reason I'm saying that is because that coincides with the previous two bull markets. If the pattern repeats itself from the one that happened in like 2013 and then 2017, and in 2021, we are going to be looking at 2025. So that's just my thoughts on that. However, okay, we could be, and I want to emphasize we could be in a completely different scenario if the SEC goes haywire and bans crypto in the United States. I do not think we're that far off from the United States doing something as dumb as banning cryptocurrency. I really do not think we're that far off. But as far as price, dude, next bull market, dude, Terra Luna Classic could be trading 10, 20, 30 billion dollars in value if people don't give up on Terra Luna Classic. And then as far as Crow goes, Crow's going to do very well during the next bull market. I don't see why it couldn't hit dollar plus gains again. Imagine Shib Queenie joins the Paul team. Robbio, she has tweeted about Paul, and I believe that she does own, she owns some Paul. She's claimed that she owns some Paul. She's not on the team, right? But she does own some Paul. I've seen that out on Twitter a lot. She was actually very excited. So I don't know where she bought her Paul at, but she said she's literally got enough that like it might change her life with how early she got in and the gains that she's sitting on right now. And I don't know what her definition of a lot of money is, but she said she's got a lot of money because of the rally. Now, I don't know. I did listen to a space call the other day, and she said that it's way too early to even worry about the charts yet and all of this stuff. So I don't know if her intentions are strictly to hold and see if it becomes $1 billion coin, and she's walking away with, hundreds of thousands or a million. Like, I have no idea what she's got, man. I don't know. I don't know how well they paid her in bone so that she could go out there and buy Paul, but I do know that they had a couple $1 million that they could have or should have paid their original Discord moderators. So she may have had a very nice paycheck from Shiba Inu coin that, if she still got her bone, right? Because clearly it's much higher in price now than it was before. But yeah, she may have transferred some of that over into Paul, man, and 20, 30, 40x it if she got in early enough. I'm all in on Litecoin. Nice. Dark Bro, you and Project Moon, man. So smart, Clay, bro. How would he be able to hear about Wellies if he isn't living in Italy? It's just one branch restaurant. Yeah, Robbio. And then John Richmond, too. I mean, I guess John Richmond, famous rock stars and stuff, but I'd never heard of John Richmond. The only two businesses that they've done business with is Italy. So I think the dude might live in Italy. Doesn't mean he's not American living in Italy. Like, I don't know. It sounds like he's got decent English to me based on the way he types. But dude could just have good English. You know what I mean? Like, people learn languages. Currently at the bank, remortgaging my house for LTC, not financial advice. J-Bones grabbing that Litecoin, baby. Oh, yes. Crypto McDuck. Well, I don't know if they're the correct dots. All right? Please don't rely on that and guarantee that the dude's Italian or not. Let's see here. We ain't friends. We family, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Got the Dominic Toretto in here. SEC won't let us be. You let me be me and buy cryptocurrency. Rich O, man. I think we need an SEC rap. Crypto Rocketeer! Boom, baby. What's going on, man? What's Litecoin at? Let's check out and see what Litecoin's at. $100 a coin? Let's go look. LTC won't let me be in the SEC. That's not Litecoin, guys. Don't get scared. Some stock. This is Litecoin. $87. Ooh, Project Moon. You got a little dip buying opportunity coming up here. Litecoin bouncing off that $100 level of resistance and coming back down. Looks like it's going to test $82. So I wouldn't necessarily get in right at this moment. I'd be looking a little closer here at $82, $83 before I would make the buy. But yes, Litecoin could be on its way back down right now. Watch out for that, guys. Bitcoin sitting at $22,398. It's too far, bro. It's way too far. I think we need an ad for the non-clickers. Moji. I think we need an ad for the non-clickers, too. Let's see what we're at here. 25 likes is embarrassing, man. You guys are all getting an ad. 25 likes. Shitoshi sounds delusional to me. Hey, man. I think you gotta be a little bit delusional to take a meme coin to a $40 billion valuation, though. That could create some delusion. Think about that. That could create some delusion. If you take a meme coin, and I don't know how far, I don't know if he rode Shiba Inu coin up and made millions or tens of millions, or, I don't know what the dude did with Shiba Inu coin, if anything. If maybe his entire fortune's in bone now. But yeah, dude, I think you get a little delusional when you make some wild gains like that. Peace out. Enjoy your evening. I'm out. Sharetta, enjoy your evening as well, man. Dude's out here refinancing in his house. Hey, dude, gotta buy that dip, Project Moon. Gotta buy that dip. Time to buy Mullen? I don't know. I might not buy some Mullinado until it's back in the teens, but I don't know if it's going to go down there or not. I just know the market's going to... I really feel like we're not done. Man. I read a lot of tweets and articles from these so-called leaders of our country, and I'm telling you, dude, some of this stuff just seems like complete and utter nonsense. I read so many articles about the SEC and then tweets from Gary Gensler and the SEC. And these guys, I mean, I am insulting their intelligence right now. It's not defamatory by any means or slanderous, but I don't think that they are smart. And I'm allowed to think that somebody's not smart, but I really don't think that these guys are smart. I think that they've got their own agenda. I think that they're following it perfectly, and I think that they're definitely being greedy when it comes to looking out for themselves and their own, I guess, ideals, as opposed to truly creating an environment for growth for retail investors regarding the SEC. And, you know, the administration that's in charge right now is much more hyper-focused on, low-paying jobs than they are on creating value for citizens who invest their entire lives and then are looking forward to retirement. So I do question a lot of stuff that's going on out there, and I really don't know until we see an improvement. I really don't know how much we can embrace potential upside unless it's just a leading indicator of what's to come, and then people come in and buy the dips. And then the economy finally catches back up and supports the gains. I didn't get an ad. Does that mean I hit the like button? DD214? No, it means you're lucky, man. Either that or it means that YouTube knows you're not going to be buying anything, so they're not showing you an ad. He didn't take Shib anywhere. They leached off the popularity of the ecosystem. No, I know that, but what I'm saying is if he rode it up, like if he truly rode it up 200, 300, 400x or something, that could definitely create delusion. But if he rode that, maybe, dude, you put $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 into something, and if you rode that up to several $1 million and back down potentially, that's gotta create some level of delusion to roll like that, and then think that that's going to be possible. Not just possible, but probable with all of your future projects. It's nuts, dude. Wait, 2024, new administration. Mark will go, hey, Giovanni, man, let's just assume you are correct that we would have a new administration. I don't know if it would be immediate, right? I highly doubt that it would be immediate. I still think that we are going to see a ton of roadblocks, a ton of problems, and government here in the United States and all over the globe, I really don't know if they care too much about working together to progress the actual state of the economy and the actual citizens as much as they do like pushing forward with their own ideas and not compromising whatsoever. So I would be hopeful to say yes. I think a lot of stuff and a lot of spending would almost immediately stop if there is a new administration, but I can't say that it would be, sunshine and rainbows, man, where everybody's making a ton of money and things are just immediately better. I back out and restart the live stream just so the ads replay to help you out, Clay. Hopefully hey, Crypto McDuck, dude, if you really do that, thank you. I appreciate that. I don't throw a bunch of ads on the live streams, but if you guys go back out and come back in every once in a while, yeah, the ads aren't ridiculous. Clearly, super chats and stuff are better in live streams. The ads are, right now, it's somewhere between, I would say, like 1/3 of a cent and 1/2 cent per ad. So if you watch two ads, and those, you can skip them too. So if you skip the first one, okay. If you wait 6 seconds, let the first one be over, and then skip the second one. That's 2 ad views. That's technically, it could be around a cent if you watch 2 of them. But cents add up, man. I'm telling you, the pennies do add up. All of the videos, all of that stuff, those do add up. Clearly, and people don't realize this, I actually do this if I'm watching a YouTube video. If the first ad is like 9 seconds, I'll let it play and skip the second one, simply because I know that these dudes it's literally going to double their revenue. If everybody did that, if they just watched the first 6 to 9 second ad and then skip the second one, everybody on YouTube's ad revenue would double. That would be nuts, but, you know, everybody's not going to do that. So thank you very much for doing that, man. Appreciate you. YOLO'd 100x long on Litecoin. Let's get it, dude. We are pumping Litecoin. Pump. Let's go, Litecoin. Let's get it, man. We're going to make Project Moon rich. He's going to change his name to Project Rich Moon. You are my fire, the one. I can't resist it, John J. Desire, believe. Guys, we should all put in mind that Paul is 1 quadrillion tokens. That's even double the current circulating supply of Shiba. Yes, Rabio, that is the that was the original supply of Shiba Inu coin. You are absolutely right. So if you're looking at it reaching Shiba Inu coin's price, you know, it's going to be very hard to do. It'd have to double the market cap of Shiba Inu coin to reach Shiba Inu coin's current price. But that does not mean, I don't think that Shiba Inu coin and Paul are going to be on par with each other. I think that Paul is more closely designed to compete with Bone. Okay, and I would not be surprised if these kids didn't make a ton of money on Bone, don't make a ton of money on Paul, and then go out there and hire a developer to build a layer 2 blockchain that they make Paul the utility token for, and then sends it even higher in value. I really don't know how creative they are, but the way that they're starting with Paul Swap and the way that they started with Shiba Swap, I think next you're going to see, and maybe not because NFTs are not as hot as they were in 2021, but I think you may see an NFT project next, okay? And I think it's going to basically follow the exact same roadmap that the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem followed, and they're going to try and build that out the way that they built the first one. You guys got to remember, these guys already did it. They did it with the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem, and I truly believe that they will follow that same roadmap and do it with this second one to compete with the Shiba ecosystem. Now, the good news is it is all going to be on Shibarium, so yes, it is still going to benefit Shiba Inu coin. I don't care if people are buying Litecoin on Shibarium, it is still going to benefit Shiba Inu coin. So you can buy whatever token you want, whatever coin you want on Shibarium. I'm excited about the fact that it's going to be benefiting. Moon Goon, that's how we is. Get there, baby. Oh, yes. J-Bones, I like it, man. Pack bags for witness protection move. Make it happen. Irene, I love the Philippines. Irene in here. We got an Irene in here. Oh, Irene, good morning from the Philippines. Irene, how are you? Glad to have you in here, and hopefully your morning is going well. Only listen to Clay Bro for the ads too, emoji. There you go, new foe. I love it, man. Truth is, I watch both ads on your videos, Clay Bro. Rabio. Apps. Listen, I really do appreciate you guys doing that, man. I really do. And instead, you guys don't have to literally put me on replay or anything like that, but don't be afraid to just share some random videos out the stock twits or throw it on your Facebook page or, every now and then throw one in a Facebook group or something like that. It does help so much, man. Herb McDonald's putting Litecoin in kids' meal. Oh god, dude! If Litecoin was putting or if McDonald's was putting Litecoin in Happy Meals, I'd probably go buy some Happy Meals right now. Let's see here. Just got Big Daddy Elon to give me a loan for Litecoin. Boom, Dark Bro, nice man. Got a bounce. Boom, Project Moon. Enjoy the rest of your day, man. Thanks for being in here. Clay, I don't think they will ban crypto. I think it's a scare to lower the price so that they can buy. Too many politicians have crypto. Too many politicians have crypto. Too many countries have bought into crypto, loading up on it. Yeah, Giovanni, look, I completely agree with you that it does not make sense to ban it. Okay, it is in the financial interest of everybody to not ban cryptocurrency. But a part of me, way back in the dark space of my mind, I think, well, they don't necessarily care about logic. They don't care about money. They don't care about anything other than control. And if that's the case, and that's where I'm getting this, not fear, but that's where I'm getting this notion from, is that they don't care about money. They don't care about the prosperity. We're talking about a country that is like $100 trillion. I know it's not 100, but I'm exaggerating. $100 trillion in debt. It will never be paid off. They print trillions of dollars just on a whim. And it's obvious that when you dig yourself into a hole like that, you don't care about fiscal responsibility. They care about control. Only way to get that, man. Ban the DeFi, ban the decentralization, roll out the CBDC. So from a very skeptical and cynical standpoint, I believe it will be banned. From a logical standpoint, I don't think that they can. You know what I mean? Like, I don't think that they can. We would see too much innovation leave the country. Tim, thank you very much for that one green name. Loving it, Tim. CD Witt got it as well. Very nice. CD Witt, if you're in here, please throw a thank you out to Tim. Guys, because it is, yeah, it's ridiculous. Because it is 5 o'clock, guys, Moji, the time is flying. Please say thank you to Tim for throwing that green name out there. We're going to do the shout-outs on the thank yous there. Absolutely appreciate that, Tim. Thank you very much for it. Get your names in the chat right now, guys. We're going to do the shout-outs, and then we will be back tonight with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Watch them. Skip the second ad, not the first one. Let's do these shout-outs. Tim, man, thank you very much. Giovanni, enjoy your evening. Project Moon, see you later. Dark Bro, CD Wit, see you later, man. DD214, J-Bones, Rabio, man, enjoy your evening. DD214, see you later. I like watching Clay's ads. Good, DD214. Rabio, man, enjoy it. Dark Bro, Moji, Skystonify, Richo, Tim, man, see you later. Bounty Coin, I think Bounty Coin would have the most utility of any coin ever made. Rabio, enjoy your day, dude. Nufo to pool to ahoo. See you later, man. Rich, peace out to you. Giovanni, enjoy your day. Jordan, Peen, see you later. Slayer, Matthew, peace out to you, Patrick. Rabio, Giovanni, we've got Richo, SD, Nick F, Stephanie, bro, all of you guys. You know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Moji! Thank you very much for the super chat. Moji says, I believe I can fly. Oh, J-Bones, no. Oh, J-Bones. Oh, God, outdoors. Judge! Oh God, Dark Bro. Somebody call Nick F. Oh God. Oh, and then he makes me go upside down. Up to a smile. Ah. Here we go. If I fall, this is Nick F. I think I got John's. I got John Jay's. I got John Jay's. I got John Jay's, right? No, I think I got John Jay's. I did Moji's, J Bones Outdoor, John Jay. I said John Jay. I cried a little bit and said John Jay. And then I got Dark Bro. I was not blacked out, but I could not see anything. Okay. I think I caught it. This guy's... Stonify, man, thank you very much. Moji, thank you very much for starting that absolute nonsense. Actually, I think J-Bones is kind of the one that started the nonsense. J-Bones came in there after Mo. I still can't even see straight. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for perpetuating the nonsense. John J, thank you for almost making me pass out. And then Dark Bro, thank you for making me go to that dark place in my mind where I could not see anything, but I was just continuing on. Outdoor Smile, thank you for trying your best to make me fall out of the chair upside down. Really appreciate that. Sky Stonify, absolutely loving it. And I think now we're going to do the shout outs. I don't know if you guys can see because it's black, but that made me... Yeah, I was not conscious during that. Sky Stonify, man, shout out to you, Robio. Enjoy your evening. Tim, man, enjoy it. Dark Bro, the Riddler, man, see you later. J-Bo, see you later. The Riddler, Moji, Outdoor Smile, Moji, Pudgy, CRP, enjoy it. John J, enjoy it, man. Robio, CRP, Ridge, Tim, CRP, the Riddler, Pudgy, DD214, Dark Bro, Nufo, Pudgy, J-Bones. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Whew. J-Bones, man, thank you. You almost got clicked on, J-Bones. You almost got clicked on. J-Bones, thank you very much for this super chat. Absolutely appreciate that, man. I still feel like, I don't know if you guys, you know when you get like really, like if you're, I don't know if you do it, I feel all tingly. I feel all tingly right now. It is very interesting. If you guys try that for like 2 straight minutes or whatever it was that I was doing it, you will feel pretty good. J-Bones, thank you very much for the super chat. Rabio, DD214, Outdoor Smile, Pudgy, Tim, Rich, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.